Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Texas unemployment benefits online. First, ensure you meet the basic eligibility criteria. You must be unemployed through no fault of your own, be able and available for work, and actively seek new employment. This initial check is crucial. Understanding these requirements upfront will save you time and ensure you are fully prepared for the subsequent steps in the application process, making your journey smoother. Before you begin the online application, gather all necessary documents. You will need your social security number, driver's license or state ID, and your complete employment history for the past 18 months. This includes employer names, addresses, phone numbers, and exact dates of employment. Also, have your wage information and the reason for separation from each job readily available. Having these details prepared will streamline your application. Now, let's move to the online application itself. Navigate to the Texas Workforce Commission website. You will need to create an account or log in to access the unemployment benefits portal. Take your time to carefully complete all sections of the online form, providing accurate and thorough information. It is crucial to double-check every detail for accuracy before you finally submit your application. After submitting your application, you will receive a monetary determination outlining your potential benefits. Remember, you must certify your eligibility every 2 weeks to continue receiving payments. It is also vital to actively search for work and maintain a detailed record of your job search efforts. Finally, respond promptly to any requests for additional information from the Texas Workforce Commission to avoid delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.